This video is about Honda generator and marine engine here in Honda showroom, Lahug, Cebu City. I'm showing you right now the available generators, original Honda generators, because this is available inside the Honda motorcycle showroom. You can see all the big bikes and the small bikes of Honda brand of motorcycles, and they also carry the generators of Honda. You gotta remember, these generators are gasoline feed. And this is the Honda EZ6500 CXS. That is 70,000 pesos. 6,500 is the rated output. Maximum output is 2,560 gigahertz. And the fuel tank, which is gasoline, of 14.5 liters, that's 70,000 pesos. And if you want an installment, this is 14,000 for down payment, and for 3 months 20,397, and 6 months 10,670. A year is 6,070 pesos per month, and 1.5 years is 4,468 per month, and 2 months 3,643 and 50 pesos for rebate. So you can imagine the demand on it during the Typhoon Odette. But right now, hopefully there won't be another typhoon for decades to come. That was so hard for all of us here in Cebu. We have no electric on my place for 2 months because their priorities are hospitals and the one here in the city, since I live in the mountain barangay. So this is the Honda EZ6500 CXS from Honda. This one is the 1000 EM1000K1. Well, not 1000, EM10000K1. So this is 10,000 capacity, bigger than the first one. This is the price, 226,000 pesos. This is an original Honda generator. If you want it for installment, the EM10000K1 will require 45,200 as down payment. 3 months is 65,471. 6 months is 35,306. 12 months is 19,486. And then 1.5 years is 14,313. And 24 months, that's the longest term that they offer for generator, is 11,651 and 50 pesos rebate for early payments. And that's the Honda EM10000K1. Now here is a smaller generator. This is the Honda EG1000. So voltage 220. There you can see the frequency, the output, and then the maximum output, of course, is 1,000 VA. So EG1000N is 22,300 for this unit. Original Honda. Down payment is 4,460 pesos. 3 months is 6,532. 6 months is 3,529. A year will cost you 1,968 pesos per month. 1.5 years is 1,457 per month. And 2 years, maximum term is 1,195. 50 pesos rebate for early repayments. Now we go to the Honda engines. This is the GX390T horsepower. I have to check. But this is the GX390. 1 horsepower. Wait. I'll just check the writings on this one. Because there is none, but it's called the Honda QHP1. So this engine, the GX390-2T, you can just search this if you want to be sure, because there is no written things around here and nobody can assist us. But I still have requests for the latest prices for Honda engines. This is the QHP1, 26,700 price for cash. And then down payment for installment is 5,340 rather, 5,340, and then 3 months 7,811, 6 months 4,215, a year will cost you 2,346 per month, 1.5 year is 1,735, and 24 months maximum term is 1,421. That's the QHP1 GX390. I'll just show you more. Or this GX390-2T. Then the other one that's available is the Mega Marine GX390-2T Mega Marine. $389cc marine engine, Honda GX390. It's gasoline, of course. It's a 4-stroke, special air cleaner for both. No air cleaner filter required. So this is one of their best one, the Mega Marine engine at 33,700 pesos. So the cc for this one is 389cc. So this is faster than the other engine. This is what they have recommended for both using. No need for air filter, and the Mega will cost you 6,740 per month. Rather 6,740 down payment, and for 3 months 9,845. 6 months is 5,307. 12 months is 2,948, and then the 18 months, 1.5 year, will be 2,177. And if you have an installment for 2 years, is 1,780. So for those looking for an original Honda Marine engine, Mega Marine is what they recommend here in Honda, and it is now available. In fact, right now they have 2 here. Marine Mega engine. And there's another. This is the Honda water pump. So we'll just include this for people that's looking for an original water pump from Honda. This is the Honda WL20XH water pump. This is 15,950 pesos. So down payment is 3,190. 3 months is 4,686. 6 months is 2,538. 12 months is 1,422. 18 months, 1.5 years, 1,057, and 869 per month for 2 years. So this is the Honda WLX water pump. So for more details on this product, You can also search it, Google search, at these are some of the detailed info or the maximum suctions and net power usage. For more details on this water pump.